It's one of the most iconic suits of armor the world has ever known. And I want to make a real Iron Man suit. How do we go about building our own suit of Iron Man armor? 3D printing. The shoes are actually powdered nylon. This is printed by a company named Dinsmore Incorporated. Thank you guys for that.
At SEMA 2019.
This person brings his in-depth understanding of engineering, manufacturing, and design to help connect people with the right technology. At this point, I'd like to recognize Jay Dinsmore, CEO of Dinsmore.
My name is Jay. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called Dinsmore. Thank you all for coming and sitting here and listening to us.
I'm here talking with Dr. Evan about 3D printing and how that's used in pre- and post-surgical models.
So what we're able to do with the 3D printed models, the soft ones we get from you guys, is we're able to fix the model to the operating table in the cath lab and actually do the procedure on the model, just like I will in the patient. What that does is we do that and literally take it off and then put the patient on the table. And I feel like I've done the procedure multiple times already.
Saving lives and changing people's lives.
I couldn't agree more.
Right before he was born, we learned that he had a shorter left leg and that we were going to be needing some special footwear for him.
You're the only person in the world that has this.
Yep.
Only one person in the entire world has this shoe. That's pretty cool.